What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another Funko video. This is a eBay grab bag. Um, I came across, I was just looking up mystery boxes on eBay, and I came across this one. This guy is Mr. Merchbot. He has a 95-star rating with 100% positive, and he's selling mystery boxes. The reason I bought this mystery box is because, I don't know if you can see behind me, I'm not sure where it's at. It's right in the middle, I think. I think it's right there. You can see it, right there. Boom. Aurora's Castle with Mickey. Well, the main mystery chase of this one was Disneyland Castle with Walt Disney, which is a figure I would love to get my hands on. I just don't want to pay the price for it. So this guy was selling mystery boxes for $15 each. You pick a box, 1 through, like looking at his website at the eBay auction now, 1 through 45. He has sold maybe like half of them right now, and that box is, well, I'm assuming the one you get. So since I bought 2, I'm very confused on how he sent 2 of them at the same time, but we'll open it up and see what is going on with these mystery boxes and see if it was worth the price for purchase. Now remember, mystery boxes are a game. It's gambling. You may or may not hit big. You never know. If you do hit big, cool. If not, oh well. He had the Skyliner in here and one of the ones from the Haunted Mansion. So, oh, he labeled them. Awesome. He labeled them. So 10 and 4, which was the 2 boxes I bought. He was also included some stickers. Mr. Merchbot. Boom. Awesome. So, I don't know if these are repackaged boxes or new boxes. These are Funko boxes. So let's see. So here you go. He has labeled these 10 and 4. Boom. 10 and 4, which are the boxes I bought. Let's see what I got. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Come on. Get in here. So, at least they're labeled. So, since they're small boxes, they aren't the mystery. Okay. This is awesome for the collection. This is a Halloween Mickey Mouse. That is so cool. I am actually really happy with that. This is a... what year this was? Could not tell you. But that's a really cool figure. I like that one. That's awesome. Very happy with that. For $15, I don't think I'd ever see that again. So I'm very excited with that. I would like one of the Chase figures, but so far, first box is a win. Did it actually say anything on the box? It's just a... nope, box of Cheshire Cat. So these are just Funko boxes that he has to ship these things out in. Let's open the next one together and see what we got together. Together forever. Please. Oh, it's Vision. WandaVision. His Halloween one. That's pretty cool. So, overall, pretty happy with both of these. So, we got a WandaVision and we got a Mickey. So, let's just see if these things are worth it. Let's just check if I broke even or if I lost money now. Either way, I'm happy. I'm happy with either one of these. So, let's check. Wanda. Let's see, Vision is... Halloween Vision has a PPG of 19, so that's a plus. And Mickey has a PPG of 15, so that's an even. Either way, for $15, I got two. This one I've never seen, and this one I don't think I've ever seen. But they're pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with them. They're not the chases. Will I buy another box from this guy? You know what? Actually, I might. I'm pretty happy with these purchases. So, boxes look good. Vision's a little bubbly, but the Mickey one looks great. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll leave his information below. Pretty happy with these purchases. For Mystery Box, I can't complain. Mr. Merchbot will be getting positive feedback. Thank you very much for your support, Mr. Merchbot. I will be leaving you positive feedback, and I can't complain. Pretty happy with both of these. Would still love one of those chases. He has a bunch of random stuff up. So the chases are the Disneyland Castle, a Skyliner, and the Halloween, not the Halloween, but the Haunted Mansion organ. So, yeah, Victor Geist from the Haunted Mansion. So, pretty happy. Pretty happy. He did say a guaranteed PPG at the time he made this listing was $14 or more. Mickey was 15, Vision was 19. So he kept on his promise. Again, no guarantee of anything super expensive, but it looks like you're guaranteed to at least get your money back. So, pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty happy with both of these. Yeah. I got nothing else to say. Thanks again, Mr. Merchbot, for these two, and I will go and leave you positive feedback now. And I'll see y'all next time. Take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.